مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا بكم في حلقة جديدة ومميزة من برنامجكم الوطني رواد الأعمال. وكما عودناكم في كل أسبوع نستضيف كفاءة جديدة ومن زاوية Special Businessmen. رحبوا معي the brothers and the owners of Fern Event Rentals, Mr. Manju Chowdhury and Vivek Chowdhury. Welcome, it's such an honor being here with you today.
Thank you so much.
So
Thank you.
firstly, can you tell me a little bit about yourselves and how did you start your businesses here in Dubai?
Yeah. We had started in the year 2016 and I was working in GCC since 2012. I have been a visitor to UAE a couple of times and have been traveling to other countries. And I saw an opportunity in the events arena wherein there are a lot of events happening in Dubai and we wanted to get associated with this field. And that's how when we did our market research, we found that events are a big industry and we wanted to foray into something to do with events, and we found an opportunity in event rentals for furniture and production. That's how the journey started.
MashaAllah. And what kind of services do you provide here?
As far as the services are concerned, we are a one-stop solution for all kinds of event rentals. Okay, anyone in UAE wants to do any kind of a wedding, any party, any social event, any corporate event, so we are there for them.
MashaAllah.
So there are event planners who comes to us, there are end consumers who comes to us, who visits our company. They tell their developments, they tell their essentials, their needs, and we cater to them.
That's really great. So as you know, here in the United Arab Emirates, it's such a big market and there's a lot of competition. So it's not easy to be successful. So can you tell me what makes your company so special?
When we had started, we had done our market research and we found that the demand is enormous. There is a lot of demand and the supply is short and at times not up to the quality. So we focused from day one on our quality and service. That is how we have reached our initial set of customers, and over a period of time we have gathered a lot of customer base who are humble to us, who are happy with us and who are our repeat clients. So challenges are many, but yes, we are able to deliver to the customer's satisfaction, and that's how we are differentiating ourselves from the other providers. Apart from that, we are also customizing around customers' requirement for their events. So when it comes to a wedding or a corporate event or a small party or a big gathering, we customize furniture production as per customer's budget, as per customer's choice, which makes us different from other companies.
MashaAllah.
There is one more big challenge what my brother has said about. So this industry is basically, it's similar to a fashion industry. Okay, the event industry as well. Okay, over the years we'll see it doesn't remain the same. Whatever we purchase or whatever we procure to all the events, it changes time on time. So keeping in trend all the time is a big challenge.
Of course.
So we have to understand the market as per their needs, as per the trends going on, and according to that we have to maintain our inventory. So that is one of the challenges what we are facing as of now.
MashaAllah, we hope you even reach higher and higher standards in your career. So as professionals, what is your future plans? What is your future vision? Can you tell me a little bit about that?
As a company, we are an evolving company. We have faced our ups and downs while we were setting up. Last year, as everybody has seen it, 2020 has been a very tough year to pass through. But I'm happy that we have been able to meet the challenges and we have to a large extent coped up with the challenges. Of course, the business has taken a beating, but in coming times we are gearing ourselves, we are changing our approach so that we are able to respond to customers' needs, and we are focusing on businesses which we were not earlier doing, like villa parties and smaller events and gatherings in the institutions, schools, hospitals, like that. So these becomes our new set of customers whom we are able to directly cater who were not on our radar or they were not aware about our company. So we are increasing our reach. We are using all the social media tools wherein we are taking care of our social media presence, and that's how we are approaching our new clients now. And inshallah, this has given us a good sign of growth in the coming time.
Inshallah, we hope you all the best. So
Thank you.
Yeah, I just want to continue. I just want to add what Manoj said. Okay, as we see as a company and as an event industry in UAE and in Gulf, entire Gulf, have a huge potential. So we just started almost 4 years now. With God's grace, we're doing very well. Okay, but there is a lot of untapped potential in terms of reaching to end clients. Okay, this is what we were not focusing on. Okay, where the people who doesn't have an event planner. Okay, we are catering to those kind of set of people. Okay, so that they come to us. Okay, and we help them in their party and social needs.
we hope you all the best, of course. So can you tell our viewers how can they contact you and where's the location of your office right now? Where are we located?
We have our central office in Dubai, Al Quoz. This central office is our display center as well as our hub for the Dubai operations. Apart from this, we have our storage warehouses in Sajah in Sharjah, wherein we store majority of our inventory, and we are easily reachable on phone, by WhatsApp, by email. Our contact details are available with you. Our viewers and customers, clients can approach us easily. We are a very flexible company and our response time is one of the shortest in the industry. We literally work 24/7 for our clients.
In our Google as well, we have mentioned it that we are available and we are open for 24/7 service. So that makes us apart out of what the other competitors or other similar companies are doing. So we are just a call away. That's what I can say, you guys, to all the people who wants to do any kind of a party in UAE.
Dear viewers, the contact number and websites will appear below on the screen. So lastly, we from Sama Al Ain TV, we thank the UAE government and leaders for the blessings they provided us with, such as safety, luxury, and the business environment we live in here today. And we want you as well to thank them.
Definitely. We are thankful to the government of UAE, the visionary leaders of UAE, Mr. President, Prime Minister, and the rulers and ministers of the UAE government. We are happy to see that this is one of the happiest countries in the world. As residents, we are seeing the progress of UAE since the time we have started visiting this place, and by God's grace, we are present here as businessmen. The kind of support UAE government lends to the businesses is tremendous. The ease of doing business in UAE is one of the greatest in the region. The convenience of travel, connectivity, and safety, all these factors makes UAE stand out amongst many other countries, and we are happy to be part of it.
Thank you so much for this amazing letter, and thank you for having us here as well. It was such an honor.
All I want to
Thank you
say
so much.
is we are so grateful to UAE, okay, for giving us or providing us the biggest opportunity of our lives, because working in UAE has really changed our lives. We are working hard, okay, to match the expectations of all the clients whom we serve to, and we're always there for them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا ونختتم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا كل Friday and Saturday on Sama Al Ain TV and social medias. دمتم بخير.